MeghalayaPost.news.
Wat ka National People's Party NPP habaka kwa ban pelong rally ka hap ban sim Jingbit na ki Deputy Commissioner namar kata ki batmu ban pelong rally yala Pyrshah bam Doh Masi ki hap ban yo Jingbit na ka office TC ya kene lapan pau do menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad ke Sangma habakli hatu ka sarkar kan ai Jingbit ne em ya ka kunhon jagat guru Shankarachia Avimuktesh Waranan Maharaj of Jotrimat ban pelong rally haka artarik urusau haslong haba jubab ya gani garai bakadu ka syong hagi DC ban INM ke Jingbit ban pelong rally hadin ke Jingbishar punya ya ke Jinglong Jingman haba kwa ban pelong rally ni hab ban apply da ke batho syaka office jong DC but hateng ke office DC kam ju ai lapan pau menteri ramba ke jela haban yanujor ke Jinglong lai lot kari India u Conrad ulong kam dan satya kano ke Jing muslia jong ke sarkar la ka deh ka kombam ka kom le niam ni ban nge ha kano ke janiam.
Just to share with you, even the NPP, when we have to go for rally, I have to apply to DC. And sometimes DC doesn't give permission to even NPP to hold rallies. So this decision is totally at the administrative level. It's not at Chief Minister's level. When Chief Minister also wants to hold a rally of my own party, I don't get permission sometimes from DC. I remember Mr. Sanjay Goel is sitting here. He was SDO of Ampati. I don't remember the year. Sanjay ji, what year was this? 2008. And he didn't allow me to have a rally. That's how things are. So, but I have nothing against that. It's very clear. We are a secular nation. We are a secular state. There is no question of prohibiting anybody from doing anything in terms of their eating habits and their choices. I think there's no doubt about that. I think there's no aspect of government denying any of that, allowing anybody to not practice their own eating habits or have their own eating habits. I think there's no question of government intervention in this, and we're very clear about this. But here your question was regarding permission. As I said, permissions are given at the Deputy Commissioner level, and it is up to Deputy Commissioner to decide and to give or not to give. And the Deputy Commissioner, based on different conditions, situations, and different issues, will or will not give permissions. As I said, even political parties, even Chief Minister to hold rallies has to take permission from the Deputy Commissioner. So we all follow the same process.
MeghalayaPost.news.